welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. My name is Hannah Valentine, and today I'm just going to be doing a quick little unboxing plus like a styling video where I unbox my new Demonias. I literally don't remember what the name of this style was that I got, but I'm gonna look it up because these like sell out really fast, and I got notifications for when they went on sale, and like within 5 minutes like they were sold out except for in like 11s and 12s. So these are like crazy hard to get brand new. So I ordered the SHAKER-100s from Demonia. So this is my third order from Demonia. I have bought like another Shaker shoe that's like white, and then I bought some sandals with like bats on them. And then yeah, so this is my third pair of Demonias that I've ever bought. I just wanted to do like a little unboxing plus like a little styling video where I like wear it with outfits so you guys can get like some styling inspiration. But yeah, very excited to unbox these. Here's how they came in the mail. I'm like too tall for the frame, so I'm like ducking down right now. You guys can see it a little bit. It's like Christmas. It was just like Christmas. All right, very exciting. So after you unpeel like the paper part, it's literally just the shoebox. And personally, I like how they do like just the paper in the shoebox, because like whenever shoe brands put like the shoebox in another box just to ship it, I feel like that's really wasteful. So I like how they just use like the paper in the shoebox. But here is the box for my Demonias. Thumbnail. So there's a rubber band, so I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. All right, here we go. Ooh, it smells new. It smells very new. Oh, they're so cute. Okay, so each boot is like individually wrapped in this Demonia tissue paper and plastic. And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and take off the wrapping. Oh, these are so cute. Look how cute they are. These are everything. These are so cute. These are amazing. And they are vegan leather, which is good because buying new leather stuff is not good. I only buy leather secondhand, which is the more eco-friendly option, but here they are. I am freaking so excited. I am a size women's 9, so I got a women's 9, so I'm hoping they fit. My other Demonias, they're like weird. My other Demonias didn't really fit like true to size, so to say, because like Demonias have a lot of room in the toe, so like it feels like they're too big, but they're actually the right size. And for the sandals that I got, I actually had to get a size up because they just fit a little too small on me. So I got a size 9. I am a size 9. I didn't like go up or down or anything, so I'm hoping that these fit. Alright, so here's the boots. Very, very exciting. These are so freaking cute. They are like just the perfect size platform where they can be worn like casual. But I'm gonna go ahead and try them on now. Alright, you guys, here I am. Here's my feet. I got on these cute little skull socks today. And here are the boots. I'm just gonna go ahead and try them on. Again, I'm a size like true women's 9, and I got a size 9. So hopefully they fit. I have the zipper up the side. I got some tissue paper in it. Okay. Oh, these fit perfect, you guys. Oh, shut up. These fit so perfect. Shut up. Shut up. These are so cute. Oh my God, they're so comfortable too. Okay, these are literally so comfortable. All right, so here they are on. These are so comfortable. I can't get over how like comfortable they are. I thought they would be like more uncomfortable than this, but they're just so supportive, and they're not hard on the inside. They have like this layer of like foam, so they're very soft on the inside. I think I saw these on TikTok, so that's why I wanted to buy them. I also saw them like just on people on Instagram, so that's part of the reason why I was really interested in buying these, because you can totally wear these like casually, and they're just so cute. I love them so much. Alright, you guys, so now I'm going to show you the outfits that I chose to pair with these boots. So for this first one, super emo, super cute. I chose a black and white color scheme with a pop of red for the backpack that I chose as an accessory. On the bottoms, we have this adorable skirt by the brand Hell Bunny. It is just the cutest thing ever. It has like a little floral pattern with like skulls hidden in it, and it has zippers, and it's a little bit high-waisted. It has tulle underneath, and it's just the most adorable skirt. On top, we have this 90s leather corset that I paired with a white baby tee and a gross necklace by the brand Tunnel Vision. Super duper cute. And for the accessory, I chose a Betty Boop backpack because I think the pop of red just totally ties in the entire outfit. For outfit number 2, I chose something super casual and super comfortable for people that don't really want to dress up but still want to wear these boots casually. So for the bottoms, I chose this adorable 90s maxi skirt, and it has purple and lavender and brown in it, and I chose a matching sweatshirt. For this one, I chose my favorite Scooby-Doo sweatshirt because it kind of had similar colors as the skirt, so I kind of wanted like the matching color themes. And for the accessory, I chose a denim crossbody bag with some pins on it. For outfit number 3, I chose something a little bit more fancy, something for like a nice dinner or maybe even a job interview, just something a little bit more not casual. For the bottoms, I paired these adorable pair of red tights with a velvet mini skirt. And for the accessories, I added a black grommet belt with a cherry red crossbody purse. And then I chose a black and red striped turtleneck to pair with this faux leather jacket that comes to about knee length. For outfit number 4, this is again super duper casual. You can just wear this any day of the week, and I kept the red tights for this outfit and I paired it with a 90s serious plaid skirt, and I chose my Team Jacob shirt for the top because obviously Team Jacob, and then I chose this sweater. So in summary, I think these boots are totally adorable, totally cute, totally worth your money, especially because they can be worn casually, or like, you know, you can dress them up a little bit if you want to go out, like you're having a girls' night out or something. I totally recommend getting these boots. They are so worth it. They are super comfortable. They are super stylish. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, I'd really appreciate it if you could just subscribe and hit the bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Again, my name is Hannah Valentine. Thank you so much for watching the video. Hope you all have a good day.